Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial we will be evaluating the integral of tan inverse of the square root of x dx. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button. So I will continue uploading engaging integrals. Let's dive right into this integral. So first of all, we can use the u-sub. So this one has two integration techniques. So first I'll use the u-sub, and later on I will use the integration by parts. So make sure to stick around and see what happens after using the u-sub. So first we let u to be equal to the square root of x. So in that case, you mean you have u squared is equals to x. So you can take the differential, it means 2u du dx is equals to 1. So that implies that you have 2u du is equals to dx. So in place of dx, I can put in 2u du. Next, I have to take everything from the x world into the u world. So the integral of tan inverse of the square root of x dx is the same as the integral of the tan inverse of u times dx. Dx is 2u du. And that is equal to 2 integral of u times the tan inverse of u du. So this is where we use the integration by parts. So I can easily differentiate the tan inverse of u because integrating the tan inverse of u is a bit challenging. So we have to differentiate the tan inverse of u and integrate the u. So the first one, I am going to integrate this and differentiate the tan inverse of u. So I'll use the di method, d for differentiation. So I am going to differentiate the tan inverse of u, and I'm going to integrate u. Differentiating tan inverse of u is 1 over 1 plus x squared. So this is plus, the next one is negative, and then integrating u is 1 over 2 times u squared. So with this one, we can now, I'm sorry, this is u, so that should be 1 plus u squared. Sorry about that. So with this one, we can now evaluate our integral, which is this integral. The integral of u times tan inverse of u. For the integral of u tan inverse of u du is equals to, so first you multiply the diagonal term, and that is going to be 1/2 u squared times tan inverse of u. Next, minus, which is from here, minus the integral. When you're multiplying terms horizontally, that is going to be taking the integral. So you take the integral of the product. So the product is 1/2 times u squared times 1 over 1 plus u squared du. So with this, we are done with the integral. The integral is done here, so we have to worry about this one. So the integral of u tan inverse of u du is going to be 1/2 u squared tan inverse of u minus 1/2 is a constant. It comes in front of the integral of u squared over 1 plus u squared du. So let's worry about this one. This one is minus 1/2 integral. This one, I can add 1 to the power and subtract 1 from the power. I haven't changed anything. Now divide by this du. So this is minus 1/2. I can split this into two integrals. The integral of 1 plus u squared over 1 plus u squared du minus 1/2 minus the integral of 1 all over 1 plus u squared du. And this one simplifies to become minus 1/2 the integral of 1 plus u squared over 1 plus u squared is 1 du plus 1/2 the integral of 1 over 1 plus u squared du. So this is minus 1/2 the integral 1 du. In the u world it's just u. So this is the integral of u plus 1/2 the integral of 1 over 1 plus u squared, that is the arctan or the tan inverse of u. So we have done everything, so we can put this one back. So the integral of u, the tan inverse of u du is going to be, first one is this one, which is 1/2 u squared tan inverse of u, which is 1/2 u squared tan inverse of u minus 1/2 u plus 1/2 tan inverse of u. We are not done. We now have to move back from the u world into the x world. So moving back from the u world into the x world, this was our integral. So we have found this now. So we just have to multiply that one by 2 and use the substitution u is equals to the square root of x. And then we are done. So we are going to multiply this one by 2 and then change our u into the square root of x. So the integral of the tan inverse of the square root of x dx is going to be multiply this one by 2 and change u to the square root of x squared tan inverse of square root of x minus 1/2 square root of x plus 1/2 tan inverse of the square root of x. Can distribute in our 2 becomes square root of x squared, that is x, tan inverse of the square root of x minus square root of x plus the tan inverse of the square root of x. In that case, the integral from of tan inverse of the square root of x dx is x tan inverse of the square root of x plus tan inverse of the square root of x minus the square root of x plus c. This is the value of our integral. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more content like this. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.